Yo, what is up, my Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a fan request cartoon version of myself. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to get around to this drawing. Now, I'm going to add a cool feature today. I'm going to add a hat, because usually if I'm walking around in public, I almost always have a hat on. Awesome. Well, if you guys haven't yet, go hit that subscribe button and let's go see what we can come up with. Now, a little earlier on, I was talking about that cool hat. So for the first part, we're going to begin by making that really cool hat that I was just talking about. Fantastic. Now for the next step, we're going to make a really big U-like shape for the shape of the face underneath of the hat. Now on each side of the U that we just made, we're going to add some ears as well as hair. Wow, that looks so dope. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the arms. Now I'm going to make it appear as if I'm giving 2 thumbs up. If you want to make your hands a little bit different than how I have mine, then that's completely okay as well. Wow, I can't believe how great this is turning out. Now for the next step, we're going to finish the shirt up and then we're going to make the jeans as well as the shoes. Now on the shirt, I'm going to make an LHTD for Learn How to Draw Hub. Now when I color in the shirt later on, I'm going to make an orange. You might not know this yet, but orange is one of my favorite colors. Another cool idea would be to add a pencil on the shirt. Now for the face, we're going to make a couple little curves for the eyebrows, and then right underneath those eyebrows, we're going to make a cool little nose. Now underneath of the nose that we just made, I'm going to give myself a nice big smile, because I like to think of myself as being happy. Now one of the last steps will be to make the eyes for the cartoon version of myself. Yo, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, thank you so much for drawing with us. Now let's go color in this drawing together.